When we say the tension of your chain is pivotal to your cutting, your safety, and the longevity of the chainsaw, we're not pulling your chain. Sorry, dad joke. Anyway, with a few simple steps, we can ensure your chain is tensioned just right. Because if it's too loose, the chain can be thrown off the guide bar and possibly cause serious injury. In addition, if it's too loose, it can create severe damage to the guide bar and chain, greatly reducing the lifespan of the components. And if it's too tight, it'll result in excessive wear and tear and drastically reduce the lifespan of the drive sprocket, the guide bar, and the chain. Not to mention, a chain that's too tight adds stress to the crankshaft bearings and the engine itself. That being said, ensuring your chain is tensioned correctly is simple. You've heard the saying, if I had a nickel. Well, when you're adjusting your chain, you literally want a nickel. This trick is a reliable technique that helps ensure the tension of the chain you adjust is proper, greatly reducing the chance of it being thrown or excessive wear. In addition to a nickel, you're going to need your trusty scrunch. After identifying the chain tensioning area on the side of the clutch cover, just loosen the guide bar nuts so they're finger tight. Once they're loose, lift the chain in the middle of the guide bar and place the nickel between one drive link and the top surface of the guide bar. Next, lift the body of the chainsaw, leaving the guide bar tip on the surface of whatever you're working on, and use the scrunch to adjust your chain tensioner. Turn it clockwise until the tensioner stops and the chain is taut against the nickel, at which point you'll want to make sure to tighten the guide bar nuts. And voila, your chain is properly tensioned and you can pull the nickel. With the chain brake disengaged, use the scrunch or a gloved hand to check the movement of the chain. Until next time.